Are you looking for the best shade-loving succulents for your home or garden? These resilient and aesthetically pleasing plants are an excellent choice for any indoor or outdoor space. In this video, we'll cover 7 standout varieties. Stay tuned as we dive into our top 7 picks for shade-loving succulents. The first shade-loving succulent on our list is the zebra plant. Adorned with striking horizontal stripes, this plant thrives in low light. Next up is the snake plant, a hardy variety known for its upright, sword-like leaves. It's a low-maintenance gem that prospers in the shade. Our third variety is the string of pearls, a charming, trailing plant with pea-like leaves. It prefers indirect sunlight and adds a touch of whimsy to any space. Moving on, we have 4 more fascinating shade-loving succulents to explore. Next up, we have the jade plant. Known for its thick, shiny, dark green leaves, this succulent thrives in the shade, demanding minimal light. It's also a breeze to care for, needing just a bit of water when the soil feels dry. Then, we have the Christmas cactus. This festive plant flaunts vibrant flowers in the cooler months and prefers a shady spot away from harsh sunlight. Remember, these shade-loving succulents are all about moderation in light and water. We are not done yet. The last 2 succulents on our list are just as intriguing. Our penultimate shade-loving succulent is the aloe vera. Known for its healing properties, this gem of a plant thrives in indirect sunlight. Its thick, fleshy leaves not only store water but are also packed with beneficial compounds. Aloe vera is an easygoing plant that asks for little but gives a lot in return. Next, we have the peace lily. This plant is an all-rounder, perfect for both indoor and outdoor shaded areas. Its glossy, dark green leaves and beautiful white flowers are a sight to behold. And the best part? It's a low-maintenance plant that thrives in low-light conditions. Those were our top 7 picks for shade-loving succulents. Remember, these plants can add a beautiful touch to your home or garden with their unique features and low-maintenance care. We hope you found our list helpful. Venture into the world of shade-loving succulents and reap the benefits of these low-maintenance plants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!